Hey, it's your girl Tieesha, and I am here with another great video. I'm going to show you how I accomplish my braid out. It's so simple. Check out this video. I'm going to show you this process of washing my hair off down and twisting my hair, the products I use, and let you see what happens at the end and show you the twist out reveal. I had some braids going up, and then I had a twist out situation going on right here. What I'm going to do is detangle all of this. I'm not going to show you that process, but it's just a chance for you to see how my hair has grown since I shaved it off in July 31st, 2017. It is now March, what is today? March 22nd. So here is my growth. I really have no trouble areas. My sides are coming. That's about right there. I love it. So yeah, I'm not going to bore you with all those details. I do have a video on here that shows my 4C wash routine where I show you what I was washing and conditioning my hair at the time. Also my hair steamer. I will link that product in the description. Make sure you pick yourself up one of those. But thanks to my baby sister, she put me onto a new line of products. So I use this probably about twice a month. I try to wash my hair every week, but sometimes I'll have a style and I'll carry it on to the next week. So, but at minimum, I'm washing my hair every week. Okay. So today I'm going to use the Gliss Ultra Moisture Shampoo. I am going to use the Gliss Fiber Therapy Conditioner, the Gliss Ultra Moisture Hair Mask, and then I'm going to use the Gliss Ultra Moisture Leave-In Spray. Don't laugh at my struggle jar, but I'm going to use the Murray's Beeswax for my twist out. And I did a video when my hair was really short. I was like at 3 months. I was using the hell out of this beeswax, and that helps seal in the moisture to my hair strands, thus making it a lot more manageable, no shedding, things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and get all of this detangled, shampoo, conditioner, condition, leave-in, and when I come back, I'll show you the process I use to do a twist out, okay? So I will see you in a little bit. All right, I just want to show you guys what my hair looks like after shampooing. I did a total of 3 shampoos with the Gliss shampoo, Gliss Extra Moisture. So this is what my hair looks like. So as you see, it is very soft. Yes, it's just super lovely. So I might not even get under the steamer. My hair is clean. I don't feel any product left behind. I'm gonna go ahead and put in some conditioner, about that much. I don't know why on some of these YouTube videos they say, oh, or not YouTube videos, but on the bottles of conditioner and stuff, it says use a dime size amount. I'm like, who's using a dime size amount of conditioner? Like, hello. I use about 1/4 of a cup, I guess, if not more. But I just try to get in here, work it into the strands so that my hair is conditioned. And pretty much at this step, I kind of finger comb everything through, you know, just to make sure that my hair is soft and detangled. And as you see, I'm taking my fingers right through it. So yeah, I'm not going to bore you with this process, this step of the process, but I am using the, like I mentioned before, the Gliss Fiber Therapy. See you in a little bit. All right, this is after my conditioner has sat on for a while. So here we go. Here's me here. And now I'm going to apply some of the Gliss leave-in conditioner. This is Ultra Moisture Express Repair Conditioner. All right, now that that's in, I'm going to, now this is contrary to the directions that are on the jar for this particular product, but this is the Gliss Ultimate Repair Hair Mask. And what I'm not going to do is I'm going to apply a very little amount, probably 2 fingers worth, but I am not going to rinse it out, okay? And that's just one thing I do to ensure that I have some kind of hair dress and moisture on my hair. I don't want to use a lot because I don't want the buildup, but I'm just going to just use a little. I'll probably get another fingerful and apply that to my crown area. Just another fingerful, that much, and then just apply that to the crown. And I am not going to wash it out. And the reason I do this is because I do swim a few times a week, and when I'm showering off, it's gonna come out anyway. So now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and portion my hair into sections. So now that I have my conditioner, my leave-in conditioner in, I'm going to just take this section and I'm going to just braid it straight down. What I'm going to use is some of the Murray's Beeswax. And you have to be careful because with this, you don't want to use too much because it does come up with like some kind of buildup because it is beeswax. But what I'm going to do is just take some and make sure that your hand is dry because it won't rub on when your hand is wet. So just get in my hand, fight it to get off, heat it up, then go ahead and apply it, and then start, I wouldn't call this a braid, it's going to be a plait. So go ahead and start plaiting up your hair. And I just work one section at a time. That is one plait that I have. And then I know I look like Felicia from Friday, but I don't care. I'm gonna be sexy when I unravel all this. So here's the finished product. Here is it. I stopped using my comb to make parts in the back of my head. One thing that I can give you a tip. People say, I don't braid my hair because my arms get tired from doing this. Well, let me show you a trick. Once you're braiding your hair, you have your arms like this, you start to get tired. Once you get a braid going or something, all you gotta do is just bend over and finish that braid out. You know, why didn't you need to look in the mirror the whole time as you're like plaiting? Just bend over, get that blood flow back to your arms, and you're good to go to keep braiding. Now, I know y'all gonna laugh at me because I look like A$AP Rocky right now, but I tell you one thing, when I take all this out tomorrow and put my makeup on, I'm gonna be sexy than the mug, all right? So you just watch and see, okay?
I swear to God, you're so perfect. She's sun-kissed and melanin rich. Stand on the square, but she walk with a switch. Keep it 100, I don't date the rat shits, cause you gotta keep a leash on a bad bitch. But a queen of Rome, free and keep it classic. In African garbs, rapping old dirty bastard. She say I'm smooth like wallaby fabric. And if all men are dogs, rock gotta be lassie. Word. Baby, I'm in love with your curves, and you don't do perms, so I'm in love with your curls. Me and the fellas are probably getting together, and since I trust you, I know you gon' have fun with your girls. Ain't no lemonade, babe, know me. The way I get down, I never dated Becky's woke up before get out. Shit, I stopped eating swine in 9-9 for making sure the guard shine through hard times. You're the one I love. X and O, X and O, kisses and the hugs, cause you're extra dope. Baby, you're the one I love. X and O, X and O, kisses and the hugs, cause you're extra dope. Take you by the park, then we hit the river. Catch a quick movie, and then we having dinner. Looking in your eyes, I can see I got a winner. I can see I got a winner. I'ma give you my last name if you let me. Then we gon' do the honeymoon on the jet skis. Costa Rica, I roll a chiba on a wet leaf. She dried it off and blew that reefer looking sexy. She the first teacher, the throne keeper, so expect me to always date a bone Quisha over Becky. I like a little ghetto, mixed with a lot of goddess. And every flavor from caramel to chocolate, baby. You're the one I love. X and O, kisses in the hugs, cause you're extra dope. Looking at your body like bravo, Movado so special. You're raised in the projects, but a dialect's professional. Drink a lot of water, hit the gym and eating vegetables, so when the sun hit it, it make her skin look edible. And that lingerie waiting when I come home got me saying poems to you like Love Jones. You're the one I love. X and O, kisses in the hugs, cause you're extra dope. Baby, you're the one I love. X and O, kisses in the hugs, cause you're extra dope. Take you by the park, then we hit the river, catch a quick movie, and then we having dinner.